Welcome guys to my channel Focus on Abhi, and already you know that I am in Rishikesh and I have been doing 200 hours. It's an yoga certification course. It's an, or we can say, teachers training course. So I will tell you about which courses is going to be done, and what class I am taking, and they are providing what kind of stuff. So we have to. I will tell you the schedule from morning till evening. So our classes going to be started at 6:30 a.m. morning, and till 7:30 at the evening we have the classes. So first we have to wake up at 5 o'clock, and then we have to be ready and we have to do meditation. Then after that we have to take a shower and all, and then we have to come around 6:15 before class is going to start, and 15 minutes we are doing warm up exercise, workout and all. Then after that 6:30 to around 8 o'clock we have Ashtanga classes. Ashtanga, it's an physical workout, physical yoga we are doing. Then after that, after we get the 15 minutes break, and 8:15 we have the second classes, that is pranayama. So pranayama, in pranayama he teaches like techniques of the breathing and mantras, and how should he have to be aware, and that is also a 1.5 hour, and then we have a break. And after that, third class is philosophy. We are like just we are discussing philosophy class to know about the yoga, how does yoga come, and what is the impact of yoga in philosophy, that we can gain the knowledge from, and that's it. And then fourth class is that body anatomy. So here is my one friend. Have a look, this one. This is body anatomy classes. So I don't know his name. Maybe his name is, I don't know. So he's our friend. He's going to be help us a lot, and you can see his hand. So body anatomy classes. So anatomy. So just he's our guide. He help us. So this skeleton man. And after that we have a break. Yeah, now it's silent. Then after 4 classes, then we have the 5th class at around at what time? I think 4:30. That is Hatha Yoga. So Hatha Yoga, it's a very it's a very ancient yoga. And after that there's a meditation classes from 6:30 to 7:30. It's an 1 hour meditation classes, and meditation is the to be calm, peace, to be aware what we are doing. And this is our classroom where it's going to be happen. Basically in this ashram there are 2 halls are there. This is we can say Patanjali hall, and that is one is the 5th floor. That one is also a hall we can do. So in both halls classes is going to be done. And Deva, can you just please turn around can you show the hall? एक बार दिखा दे तो, एक बार इधर से ऐसे. So this is our hall where we are doing stuff, and with the help of this rope we are just just flexible our body. You are doing different kinds of stuff, like to strength core muscles. That's all. Many things are there, have to learn. And 3 hours, 10 minutes remaining, the class is going to start. So I have been planning to do as soon as possible this video. Okay, come on guys, I'll show you. So guys, there are 5 floors are there, and 3 floors for the residential, and 2 floors, like there's the 2 halls are there, 4th and 5th floor. So 4th and 5th floor, the classes is going to be done. And in which floor I am staying? I am staying in 2nd floor, and my room number is 204, and this one is my room number. एक बार दिखा देते हो. एंड चलिए अब मैं आपको मिलाता हूँ अपने रूम पार्टनर से. आइए. हाँ जी, ये चंदन है. चंदन जी फ्रॉम गया, बिहार से हैं, और अभी तो दिल्ली में रुके हैं और दिल्ली में रहते हैं. और बेसिकली ये चाइना भी बोलते हैं और चाइना में भी रह चुके हैं. और
चाइनीज बोलते हैं, चाइना नहीं बोलते.
अच्छा, चाइनीज बोलते हैं भाई, चाइनीज. सॉरी गाइस, सॉरी, फॉरगिव मी. तो चाइनीज बोलते हैं और चाइना में रहते भी हो ना आप? अभी रहते भी हैं राइट। तो थोड़ा सा ये अपने बारे में अच्छे से ब्रीफ कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि मैं अभी लाइक क्लास वगैरह में ज़्यादा बिजी होता हूँ, तो ज़्यादा बात वगैरह नहीं कर पाता, टाइम बहुत कम मिलता है, तो आप बहुत मुश्किल से थोड़ा सा ब्लॉगिंग का वीडियो बना रहा हूँ। तो एक बार चलिए चंदन थोड़ा सा अपने बारे में थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ दे दीजिए।
हाय, मैं चंदन, गया बिहार से। जेएनयू से मैंने ग्रेजुएशन एंड मास्टर किया है चाइनीज़ लैंग्वेज में, और हाँ, और उसके बाद स्कॉलरशिप से मैं चाइना चला गया और चाइना में रह रहा हूँ पिछले 4 साल से। कोविड की वजह से मैं यहाँ हूँ और यहाँ योग सीखने के लिए ऋषिकेश आया, और यहाँ पर मुझे 2 अच्छे फ्रेंड मिले, एक अभी और एक देवा
जो कैमरा होल्ड किए हैं राइट। हाय हाय तो पहले ही बोल दे भाई, बिना मेरे बोले ही हाय बोल दिए। चलो तो कट नहीं, इसी में तो मजा है भाई, इसी में तो मजा है। तो भाई ये है आसाम से। और आसाम में कहाँ से हो भाई देव भाई? बोंगाईगांव। अच्छा, बोंगाईगांव। तो ये बोंगाईगांव से हैं और बेसिकली ये जिम ट्रेनर भी हैं। और पहली बात तो ये भाई बहुत फोकस आदमी है, काम के टाइम काम, और समझते ही हैं मजाक करते टाइम मजाक। तो बहुत फोकस है और बहुत क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत फोकस्ड आदमी है, और मेडिटेशन मूड में थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता है। मतलब प्राणायाम क्लास में, मेडिटेशन टाइम में ये हमेशा ट्राई टू बी काम 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 काम,